Wit videos. Wit videos.
The bathroom is the common term for a room containing a toilet, bath, and/or shower. Unisex bathrooms are bathrooms that can be used by men or women without being adapted in any way. This might include urinals within a shared bathroom, or an extra toilet seat over a toilet designed for female use only. Gender-specific bathrooms, or gender-segregated, are bathrooms that can only be used by people of the same sex, as a means to ensure that people of different sexes do not share facilities at all times. Single-occupancy bathrooms are bathrooms with one toilet seat, often accompanied by an adjoining sink, and are intended for single-person use only. Some public toilets may have multiple single-occupancy stalls within them, along with one or larger stalls intended for use by people who need assistance from others due to age or disability. Multiple occupancy toilets allow easy access for wheelchairs, carts, and walkers, or similar mobility aids. This type of restroom is often found in public buildings where demand is high, such as airports and sports arenas. Thank you for watching Wit videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.